Is layout UVs messing with your UV shells you've purposefully made tiny or large to utilize your UV space? Let me show you how to fix that. Okay, so these are the UVs after it is correct, right? I have spaces at the bottom here. No one's ever going to see, so I've made the space extremely tiny, right? No one's ever going to see it. Not a big deal. But let's say I've UV'd a few other parts, I've UV'd the pillow. Now I want to lay it all out again, right? Usually you'll go shift, right click, layout UVs. But what happens is it tries to keep everything the same pixel density, which is not a bad thing. It's just sometimes you don't want this, right? So let's say you've done your UVs. How do you get it to look like this? All you have to do is set your UVs the way that you want it. Shift, right click, go to layout, go to options. That little window there is the options button. You want to turn off shell pre-scaling. If you turn this off and then you apply, it will then relay out your UVs, but keep and respect any areas that you've made smaller or larger because you wanted to utilize your UV space better. Hopefully that helps out. See you all next time. Bye.